1,000 times. Okay.
So now we're gonna do concealer. We're gonna apply powder, contouring, blush, and do some eyebrows too.
Okay.
So.
Holy cow.
So I'm gonna use exactly the same concealer we use for the upper eyelid as a primer, and I'm gonna use that like for every day, but of course it's not everyday makeup, so that's why we have a little heavier.
This is the grocery store. No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah. Why not?
Yeah, why not? I agree.
It's the first day of spring.
It is
so beautiful.
Yeah, we are in Michigan, by the way, and people that are unfamiliar with Michigan weather, which I think most people are, it's never sunny, always cold, and today is like one of the nicest days we've had in a long time. And Olena's so nice to still be inside with me doing my makeup.
It's fine. It's fun. So much fun. So what I'm gonna do is concealer. I'll go a little bit on the middle part of the face, all over, like on the chin, on the bridge of the nose, on the right on the center of the forehead, and of course right underneath of the eye. Okay, and it's a little bit lighter that because we're gonna use some contouring, so we want to like create very shapy face.
Okay, so this is like
just
right
a
here,
little bit,
and I'm dotting it, or
just like very little because it's very intense.
Okay,
and very thick.
Is that good or more?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna do the blending.
Yeah.
I like this egg thing. Okay.
Yeah, good.
Okay.
And just let me see. We have make sure it's all blended nicely. Okay. Perfect. And we didn't use any powder before because wasn't sure. And actually, Lindsay worked very, very clean. So that's great thing. Just look straight into the camera, and we're going to contour the face.
You're a magician.
I have beautiful canvas, so
she's so sweet. This is why I love her.
Okay, so exactly the same. So start of the contouring is the bone we can feel when we chew. Yep. So it's right there. So that's where you're starting, and just going very, very slightly over here. Okay. Make sure you don't go too close to the middle of the face.
Okay, so bone.
The lower,
lower,
right there.
And I'm just again.
And as a line, you can do it. Okay. Don't go too high. Just go a little lower. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
More. Good.
Yeah, it's good.
Gosh, I like that powder.
Just tiny bit.
Oh my gosh, I'm totally doing a photo shoot.
And just do your side a little bit.
Just forehead?
Yeah, forehead. And just the cheekbone. But not where you did contouring. Only the cheekbone and underneath.
Okay.
So where we put dark color, we just keep the dark and
It's supposed to do the chin,
yeah.
nose, any of that?
Yeah, it's good.
I was so relaxed when you were doing it.
No, it's perfect and it's fine. Some blush, my favorite.
Again, something I don't ever wear, so it's fun. I should.
Okay, smile for me. Right on that apple of the cheek. A little bit on the nose.
Smiling. Right on the thing, right?
Yeah, right on the apple.
Okay,
right there.
apple. I like that's what you use. Okay, and then you did a little bit.
Just on the forehead. Just make sure we balance the color.
Okay.
So I'll add a little bit of contouring, and it's like bronzer. So I'll go all over the face. sure we.
It's kind of a fun thing to see that I have to like do a speed edit on one of these just to see the transformation.
Yeah.
Do I add more?
Just tiny bit of
This.
this and this.
Okay.
And like blend over here.
Okay.
Perfect.
And this was again up here?
Yeah. Forehead. Yep.
And
Like the same like we did the country.
oh, right,
like
blue line.
all
Okay.
over. Yep. Very pretty. Yep. Good.
More?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my
Awesome.
goodness.
Okay. Now, lips.
Oh boy.